Standing looking in the mirror, wondering where I went. Looking at my life, with wonder and regret. So much to think about, I'm in at my prime, yeah. Looking at a piece of glass, but feel like it could tell my future. Looking straight through my mind is an illusion. Living in a world filled with hate and confusion. Got me think about what I've been through and what I have. Living in a dream, but I got my family and I'm glad. It's like I'm not even myself no more. Feels like a person that had just walked out the door. Living helpless on the floor, searching for the faith to keep me going, to keep me alive. Gonna find a way to stay strong and revive. Headed back to the top, you're gonna be surprised. Getting back on my feet, starting to feel like I'm recuperating. My hand thoughts straight, now I'm finally cooperating. I know what's real now, gonna go get my pride back. It's something gotta still finally get back on track. I was down, always had a frown. Got me looking like a clown, but I know it's real. It's in the past and it's over, now it's time to have a blast. Set to detonate, I'm about to blow. Me, myself and I got this shit for show. Feel like I was gone, felt like I had been tossed. I wasn't myself, I was somewhere else, I was just lost.
My nigga, winning is a habit, success is a choice. I figured this out when I first put a track behind my voice and spit a few bars, matter of fact, spit a few lines, matter of fact, spit a few rhymes. Now I do it all the time. When I flow, your boy shine, but they wanna treat it like a crime, cause I ain't black, neither am I white. We below it all, but I keep my family on my back. I feel it's coming soon. My world is split into two. Reality and fantasy, goals and dreams, fears and beliefs, music and nothing else, cause there's nothing else, cause this is all that I see. Fame and the glory over the horizon is a light, and that's how I got to shine. So I take this mic and I'm about to make this game mine. Put my life on the line, fuck a hater, bitch. Hip hop will be fine with YH in your mind. Take a hit of that OG, roll a little for me. Put my song on and let's cruise it real slowly. Feel that I'm about to make it, cause I feel that I'm not basic. Yes, I feel that I'm about to make it, cause all I do is drop classics, sometimes graphic, but it make the bitches happy. So I don't stop like fuck the cop. I'm speeding through the traffic, green is all that I see. No yellow, fuck slowing down when I hit 25. If I don't make it, I leave the game. But as of right now, I'm only 16, so I'm on my way. Bitch, the cloud, I'm about to touch it. The crowds, I'm about to get them. Don't believe me, yo boy, don't forget them.